So Google just Thanos snapped 7 structured data types. And unless you've got a digital hoarding problem or you're emotionally attached to JSON-LD like it's your childhood blanket, this might actually be great news. Here's the short version. Google officially retired 7 markup types that were cluttering up search results like forgotten New Year's resolutions. Job estimated salary, course info, movie info, books, action markup, not reviews, software app, learning videos, and vehicle listings are all gone. That's right. If you were hoping your car dealership's markup for that 2013 Honda Civic would wow Google into higher rankings, well, Google basically just ghosted your schema. But here's the thing, and why you should care. This isn't just Google being lazy or playing God with your SEO strategy. It's them trying to actually improve the user experience. Remember when you used to type something into Google and you got a neat answer, maybe a link, and you were off to the races? Yeah, now it's a carnival ride of knowledge panels, shopping listings, AI overviews, and 18 variations of what might be the thing you asked for. It's become bloated, like an overstuffed burrito that just collapses. So Google decided to clean house. Now, none of the retired markups impact rankings. Google straight up said it. This markup was rarely used and didn't result in meaningful display changes. Translation, your structured data might have been dressed up like a prom queen, but it never made it onto the dance floor. In fact, if you're still using these, you're wasting your time. Maintaining irrelevant markup is like ironing your socks, technically possible, deeply unnecessary, and your dev team will quietly resent you for it. With this vanishing act, you get clarity. You can stop spending time optimizing for features Google no longer supports. That means less dev time, less bloat, and more focus on what actually matters, like the structured data Google still loves. Things like product info, reviews, FAQs, events, recipes, and good old articles. If you're in e-commerce, for example, this is a blessing. Let's say you were tagging up your website with course and learning video schema because someone in marketing heard it was good for SEO. Well, guess what? Not anymore. That time could be better spent refining your product schema, improving how your customer reviews appear, or making damn sure your pricing shows up correctly on the SERP. So, if you're a small business, maybe you sell online courses on how to meditate, juggle, or build emotional resilience without punching drywall. You probably used the course structured data in the hopes of Google turning your listing into a majestic, clickable box of joy. But now that feature's toast. So instead, focus on enhancing what you can control, like adding review schema from your students, using video object schema for promo videos, and implementing FAQ schema to answer real user questions. This lets your course still show up strong in search, with rich snippets that build credibility and trust without relying on Google to elevate your course markup like it's still 2021. Bottom line, Google's structured data diet is a gift, especially for those of us juggling SEO, branding, and the occasional existential crisis. Fewer markup types to manage, the more energy to focus on things that make a difference, like being helpful, or relatable, or, dare I say it, human. So breathe easy, my friend. The SERP just got a little less messy, and your schema strategy just got a lot more focused. Toss the outdated tags, thank them for their service, and get back to doing what actually works. Are you an agency, SEO professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.